Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix Instagram music not working. So the first method here is change your account settings. So just open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon right here at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, here on your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then we're gonna have to tap on the settings and privacy. Now here, as you can see, you need to find for professionals, and we're gonna look for creator tools and controls. So tap on this option here. Then an option shows up. As you can see, you just need to scroll down and tap on switch account type. And from here, you need to switch to your personal account. And tap again this switch to personal account. And once you've done right here, the next thing you're going to do is to clear the data on your phone settings. So what we are going to do is go to your home screen, tap and hold this Instagram icon, and we're going to tap on app info. And from here, tap on the storage at the top, and we're going to tap on this clear data or clear all data and clear cache. Once you've done here, just need to try to open your Instagram and it should be fixed the issue. But if the problem persists, we're gonna go to the second method, which is to download the older version of Instagram. So on the search box, we're gonna search for app2down.com and we're gonna look for the Instagram app. And then right here, you just need to download the older version. As you can see here, we have an options to download the older version of Instagram. So that's it. That's how you basically fix Instagram music not working. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.